Asham to Agortara Rahar Kotar by Kobzak Bagbashao Naga point of Patar Hastini Kungsha Malkonishimi 64 lakh rangni fixane money manka Bagbashao police rock Hujakotamani Bishingti Bagbashao OC Partho Debni Naikol Mungo Naka point Obian Clay fixane money manka Aobian Clayfuro Corne fixane mine Banekanya Romka police rock Sis Clayga Kungsha Malkong Ashalo Dormonogor Bakaste police okra Naikonlai Bijarin Buya Koktum Tumani Buskango Shawik Naraka Bakaste police okra Naikol Tebo Shaklaikya Kai Chichar Pekit Nishimi 212 gram heroin manka aborok hatiu dor angnai 64 lakh rangni Romjani Rokhor Nini Mung Angka Selim Uddinte Rabel Ahmad NDPS Tarawo Tabuk Dorbareago Naino Police of Nigeria Tongo.
Good afternoon. This morning, Bagbashao PS received an information that there was drugs being transported, contrabands. So one vehicle was detained, one Wagon-R AS 11P9296 was detained, and after the presence of magistrate, search was conducted. We have found suspected heroin of around 18 soap cases of 212 gram suspected heroin. Its approximate value will be around 64 lakhs. So we have also detained two persons, Salim Uddin and Rabil Ahmed. We will register a case and investigation will be conducted. Currently, with the information we have received is that the vehicle had come from Karimganj, and we will determine in which side it will be proceeding. We will see based on the investigation where it was being transported and who are the persons involved. For now, we will start investigation.
Ramzanai Khoror Nino Police Remand Toniwi, Dormonogorte, Daira Adalata Shazana Hinishaka Police Rock. Bureau Report, Kokhara.